All right, so we're going to be reviewing dilations again, getting a little more practice. So we're going to use this Frayer model in order to work out our dilations. So you are given an image, and with this image, you have to answer all four of the questions. So we have parallelogram ABC, D. That's the original figure. And then A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime is our new figure. Okay, so it says, was the original figure enlarged or reduced? So if my original figure was the smaller one, and the new image, so my pre-image was the smaller, my image is A prime, B prime, C prime. I know that because it has prime notation. It's bigger, so it was enlarged. So it's enlarged. And I know that one because it got larger. So the image got bigger. So the image is bigger or larger than the pre-image. Okay. So now I'm going to look at my original ordered pairs. Okay. So A is 1, 3. B is 2, 3. C is negative 2, 1. And D is negative 3, 1. So now my new ordered pairs, so A prime is 3, 9. B prime is 6, 9. C prime is negative 6, 3. And D prime is negative 9, 3. So now I have to find my scale factor. Okay. So we can clearly see our ordered pairs got larger as well. So remember, in order to find our scale factor, we choose a coordinate pair and we do our new over old. So our new over our original. So let's take A and A prime. So we're going to take A and A prime. And let's use the Y value. So we're going to do Y2 over Y1. So that's our new Y value over our old Y value. So our original, well, our new Y value for A prime is 9. And the original Y value for A was 3. Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 is our scale factor. And since 3 is our scale factor, we can write our algebraic rule. So using arrow notation, it's 3x, 3y. Okay, remember, whatever you do to your x value, you have to do to your y value. Whatever you do to your y value, you have to do your x value. And you can choose any point. Okay, you can choose any point, and you can choose either the x or the y, but it has to be x over x and y over y. So you're going to complete the rest of the Frayer models, and then the last example, you are creating your own. Go ahead and get